Welcome, everyone. Thanks for your time. My name is aitaleabiamo, and today I came across something quite unpalatable. It's about our so-called lawmakers, and it's quite, I don't know. It can only be in Nigeria, anyways. And to think they are making laws for their own children. Ajá mọmọ tiẹ̀ fún lọ́mú. Ó mọ tòdù ọ̀yá kì mọ́lẹ̀. They are making laws at this century, at this age and stage that we are in. They are making laws so that their children can go study abroad. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ṣé nǹkan tó kàn nìyẹn? Káwọn ọmọ tiwọn kọ́ lọ máa kàwé lókè òkun. Ìbàjẹ́ pàwọn ará òkè òkun ìhà táwọn kọ sí ètò ẹ̀kọ́ làwọn kọ sí. Ṣé wọ́n máa rí bí rán àwọn ọmọ wọn lọ láti lọ kẹ́kọ̀ọ́? Ṣé irú thriving environment that is made readily available and accessible to everyone ní abroad tí wọ́n ní àwọn ọmọ àwọn lè lọ máa kàwé? Ṣé táwọn òyìn ò bá make effort, tí wọ́n bá make policies, tí wọ́n bá ní policies, regulations and frameworks in place to make that feasible, to make it a thriving, viable, accommodative environment? Ṣé wọ́n máa ní access sí? Ó máa ga o. Nígbà tẹ́ ẹ bá lè jẹ́, tẹ́ torí pé ẹ̀ ń lọ sẹ́dẹ̀ ẹbẹ̀ ẹ̀dẹ̀ jẹ́. Ṣebí nígbà tẹ́ ẹ bá tẹ́ dédé ẹ̀dẹ̀ náà lè máa padà sí, because gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tẹ́ni kọ́ ló máa kàwé lókèrè. Tó bá dé inú situation yìí náà ló ń padà bọ̀ sí o. But nígbà tó ti ẹ̀ jẹ́ pé wà tẹ́ níbàjẹ́ ò kàn mí, òun náà wù. Wow. Human resources. Òun ni ohun àlùmọ́ọ́nì tó ṣe pàtàkì tó sì ṣọ̀wọ́n jùlọ. Fún àpẹẹrẹ, orílẹ̀-èdè bíi China àmọ́ bíi Japan, it is their numbers. We have the numbers. We have the youths. These are raw resources that should be harnessed. How do we harness them? By giving them education. Because if you say ignorance is expensive, if you say education is expensive, try ignorance. But torí pé kò sáwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n níbẹ̀, wọn ò bìkítà, wọn ò káràmásìkí. Ọmọ tòṣì ṣubú lọ́jà, wọ́n fẹ́ rínrín ni. Kò sí nǹkan tí ò wá yé wọn ní pé àwọn ọmọ másẹ̀sẹ̀ tí wọ́n kọ́, tí wọ́n engage wọn, tí wọ́n provide a thriving environment for them to thrive in all aspects and facets of thriving, tó jẹ́ pé enabling environment full of negativity, òun ni wọ́n provide fún wọn. tani ò ṣe àmọ́ pé ńgbà táwọn ọmọ yín tí wọ́n bá ròkú tí wọ́n rọ̀ṣà tó àwọn yẹn ló máa wọn ò ní jẹ́ kọ́. It's just like bí ìgbà tí ń gbin àlìkámọ̀ sí àárín the shaft and the I don't know what to say. The seed and the shaft or something. Níbi tí other countries are making plans 20 years ahead, 30 years from now, all the lawmakers are doing is law láti jẹ́ káwọn ọmọ wọn kó máa lọ sókè òkun láti lọ kàwé. You see, it's all wrong. Ní island tèmi wà, everybody goes to school. School tọmọ mi máa lọ lọmọ councillor máa lọ. Lọmọ local lọmọ county councillor, county chairman, because we have counters like states. Instead of states, we have counters. Ló máa lọ. College tọmọ mi bá lọ lọmọ mi máa lọ. Secondary school tọmọ mi bá lọ lọmọ mi máa lọ. Primary school, child care facilities, universities tọmọ mi bá lọ lọmọ mi máa lọ. Ìyẹn máa jẹ́ kó focus tọmọ pé kò sí any other option. Wọ́n máa focus, wọ́n máa make laws, wọ́n máa make frameworks, wọ́n máa make regulations to make sure that ó jẹ́ káwọn ọmọ yẹn kọ́ lè thrive. But it's wá kọ́ because wọ́n rí other alternative. So wọ́n wà bothered. Wọ́n tẹ̀ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe bí eré wọ́n ti pa public schools, wọ́n ti pa government schools. Now ASUL is on strike. ASUL is on strike, yet their children are over here graduating. Irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yìí ò dáa. Because ebi òjò bí bá ti bẹ̀rù la bọ́mọ. Òǹkà oṣù mẹ́sàn-án tí wọ́n kà fún ọmọ wọn ni wọ́n kà fún every other child. And all the rights of the child. Education is important. Ara right tí tó yẹ káwọn ọmọ ní access sí ni. Tí kò yẹ ká fi dùn wọ́n. But from infancy to 6 years of age, there's nothing in place. From primary to secondary, nothing is there. And all the so-called private secondary schools, private universities, there are no regulations. They are not regulated. It's a shame because that is natural resources in form of human resources. Only wasting it. Only wasting it.